Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure your iPhone 7 has an active SIM and your carrier supports visual voicemail. Once done, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab in the lower right. You'll see Setup Now. Tap it to begin creating a voicemail password. This secures access and enables message retrieval. Make sure to choose a 4-6-digit password you'll remember. After entering and confirming the password, the phone will prompt you to record a greeting. Don't skip the next step. You'll be asked to record a greeting after the password is set. Record a custom greeting, speak clearly, and then play it back to confirm tone and length. If you prefer, choose default and move on. Make sure visual voicemail is enabled by your carrier. Sometimes you must toggle cellular data or restart the phone to activate it. Once the greeting is saved, the mailbox initializes. This can take a few moments. If prompts appear for voicemail setup from the carrier, follow those to complete configuration. Now test your setup. Call your iPhone 7 from another phone and leave a message. Once done, open phone right arrow voicemail and play the test message to confirm audio and timestamps. Make sure you can save or delete messages and change greetings or password under greeting or change voicemail password. If voicemail won't activate, try resetting network settings or toggle airplane mode on then off. Key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, contact your carrier. Many voicemail issues stem from account-side activation rather than the phone itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.